Can we see recently deleted apps on iPhone? Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are answering a question a lot of people have, which is, can you see recently deleted apps on your iPhone? So let's get started. While iPhone doesn't have a specific recently deleted apps folder, there is a way to see which apps you have recently deleted and easily reinstall them. First, open the App Store and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then go to Purchase. From there, select My Purchases and you'll see a list of all apps you have downloaded with your Apple ID. If you scroll through, any app without the open button is one that you no longer on your device. To reinstall, just tap the cloud icon next to the app and it will download right back into your iPhone. And that's it. While there isn't a direct recently deleted list, this method is the best way to recover apps you remove. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.